Mason BMP2 armoured personnel carrier. In the back we can carry about 8 or 10 soldiers fully armed. If they wanted to, they could fire as tiny